Hey folks, Rich here at RC Informer. Once again, we've got the version 2 FMS PITTS out here. If you hadn't seen the other video, we do have an unbox and a flight demo on grass in really windy conditions towards the end of the video, or at the end. You can click on those and watch them. But we found a little bit better day. It's actually calmed down quite a bit, even though we had a west wind before. So we're going to take it up there, and I'm going to try and maybe work it out a little for you. I hadn't flown it now since the last time, so we'll see if we can give you a little bit more kind of aerobatic stuff out of it, and a little more maneuvering. And we got a runway today. We got pavement, so we'll be able to show you, and I'm going to learn what this is like on pavement, so we'll see. You ready to roll, Steve? All right, let's see. Let me just check my throttle, make sure we're good, get my kill. All right, we're showing, Steve, we got 25.1 volts, and we only use 21 amps. It's a 4,000 Predator pack in there. All right, here we go. Come on, Steve, let's go over here. We'll head over to the pad here. Get that microphone on there. Flip that baby on. Get that going. Get our sound mic. You got good sound coming out of that? Yep. Texting out. There's a guy on the runway. All right, I got mid rates in on everything. Let's get it out there. We're gonna see how this does on the pavement. It has a wire tail wheel, and it's bent to a certain configuration. You can't adjust it independently of the rudder unless you actually put a physical bend in it. It's pulling left on me a little bit, so that's okay though. I'll just hold the stick. So here we go. Take it off. Get that tail up. It's a little more wobbly for sure on pavement, but not bad. Here, let me do, see if we can get it down here for a touch and go. I tell you, let me bring it in slow. If a touch and go happens out of it, it happens. Yep, we got one. This plane will bounce if you don't land it like just right. Yeah, it's going to be a little more challenging to land for sure on pavement. In fact, let me try that again. Let me see if I can get that right first, because it is real challenging. I tell you, this thing is real maneuverable. Now that we got some still air, you probably want to land this thing in like pretty much a full stall. Kind of like that. I had to stick almost all the way back because I wanted it to get slow. If you land this thing hot, it's going to be jumping all over the place. You're going to bounce it up in the air and possibly stall it. So you want to be easy with it. I'm getting used to it on the runway here because it's very easy to fly, but it's very skittish on a paved surface. As long as you're on it, it's not a problem. It's pretty easy. So here we go. Take it off. That's a little more controllable. There we go. Holding the center line a little better. All right, let me go vertical with it, Steve, here. Kick the rudder over. There we go. Do some maneuvering. It's always good to do a couple landings with it the first time you fly it somewhere to get used to it. So when you got to come in, you're kind of a little more practiced on it. That's all. Let's come by fast here. Go vertical again. We're gonna roll it going up. Stir the sticks a bit. There we go. Woohoo! Yeah, baby. It maneuvers well. Holy smokes. I'm really impressed with this darn thing. You know, and I noticed, Steve, today, as I'm yanking on the sticks, it doesn't feel kind of as rubbery as it did the other day. It was windy, and it's hard to tell because it's a biplane and it doesn't have any flying wires. So, but it has plenty of spar in the wing. Here, let me bring it in from here, from this angle. Yeah, real nice. Nice flyer. It's gone down to about a calm, it's pretty calm right now. See if we can bring it in. I'm landing this baby throttle off. See, there's a bounce. I'm just gonna go around. When it bounces, it can get ugly. I mean, the plane does fly really slow well, but here, let me try to bring it in for another landing here. Yeah, you got almost full aft stick, you know, kind of drive it in. Here we go, taking off. You got to really stay on that rudder with this thing, that's for sure. It definitely is a better grass field airplane. Okay, I'm going high rates on everything. Yeah, it maneuvers really well. Yeah, let's see if I can inverted. Woohoo! Coming out of a spin there. Let's bring it back in here. Wow, it does a steep turn nice, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. Holy smokes, I'm gonna come back the other way. Only because I'm a little better at a steep turn in this direction, because I do it more. Let's see if we can get it, nice and tight. Look at that. We'll do it down here in the valley area here. Yeah, it'll do a tight, steep turn, look at that. Look at that. I guess 2 wings will help you do that. All right, let's get back over here. Get it downstairs here into the valley. I think guys say they lost signal down here a lot, but we'll see. Just don't hit the damn tree. Here we go, coming back. All right. Did I lose you?
Nope.
Oh, good. All right. Let's come by. Let me look at my, I'm at 1400 milliamps out of a 4000 Predator. It's like a, this battery. Oh, inverted. All right, here we go. I got an order. Was that my plane? What was that? What was that sound? Was that the airplane?
Behind you.
Oh, was it? Was something popping? It sounded like it was almost like a backfire or something.
Behind us.
Was it? That freaked me out. I was like, my plane's breaking up. Here, let's do. It does that well. Does that well. Look at that. Let me see if I can do that down the runway here. Let's do. Well, I'll do it on the outer. I'll try for the outer edge of the runway. Let's do that. All right, down the center. Wow, fun airplane. Let's try point rolls here. Yep, a little out of control there. Let's bring it back. This is my first. It probably does that better with a lower rate here. Let's do. I tell you what. Last time we did this, I went to go do a knife edge, and you've got to really pull up elevator to hold a knife. Let me try that back from the other side. Let's see if we can bring it on in. Actually, you know what? Let me continue with that knife, Steve. Let me try that. There we go. I tell you, it's got lots of authority for doing that, though. Wow, look at that. Holy smokes. Yeah. I would have to practice with this before I would want to do that really close to the ground. So, let's see. We'll bring it down fast this way. Awesome. All right, outstanding. Let's loop it in the middle, or actually I'll just do it over here. What the heck? I'll tell you, Steve, this is a nice feeling airplane. It doesn't, I thought with that wind before that it might be a little bit rubbery just because of it didn't have any flying wires on it, but it's not. It's pretty rigid. They got a lot of spar in that wing. Let me see if I can do some, let me go up high with it. Let me go back to a mid-rate on everything. Here, let's see. I'm going to go up here. I used to do let's do a circle here, up high. Let's see. I used to do rolling circles all the time. Yeah, I'm going to cut it out there, but that's about what a rolling circle is there. Nice flying bird. All right, let me bring it in and land it here. Let me see what we got for battery. See how we're doing with this. Nice model though, just flies well. Bring it in full stall, there we go. Yeah, I'm almost all, I'm about 3/4 stick back when I'm touching down because I want it to be in a stall when I'm landing. Or it's gonna go all over the place. Here, take a look. On the, can you see the battery all right? Right there? Yeah. 2743. I'm going to bring it up one more time. We'll bring it on back. Here, let me see if I can get it up. It'll go down there. All right, we're going to take off. There we go. Definitely don't want to firewall this one on the runway. Here we go. Taking off. Straight up. Yeah, that flies nice. Hammerhead around. Kick it around again. Yeah, it does that nice. I tell you, anybody who's a biplane fan, this is an easy to fly biplane. It just flies so well. Lots of wing, no flaps, simple 4-channel, aileron, elevator, rudder, and throttle control. So let's just bring it on down. I'm gonna bring it to idle. See if I can get it in from here. Power's off. Just off, off, off. I'm letting it bleed. I'm letting it bleed, and you see it bounced a little bit. That's okay. It's coming in. Outstanding. Bring it on back. What do you think, Steve? Not bad.
Yeah, nice flyer.
Not bad. All right, guys, PITTS version 2 FMS. It is a winner. I think they're out of stock on them, but you guys can check the link below. We do have an affiliate link there. If you guys click on it, you guys get one through our link. It definitely helps me and Steve out for making you these nice videos. But just awesome plane. Guys, we're going to have this. If Joan all happens, we're in the middle of the coronavirus, so if Joan all happens, you know, we'll have this there. We'll have it in all in the fall for sure, and probably also at CEF. So this is a plane we'll have out there at all the air shows for you guys to see. So anyway, Steve, you got anything?
No, nice flyer.
All right, it is a sweet airplane. Anyway, guys, check it out. I appreciate Steve. Thanks for filming. Thanks for watching RC Informer, guys. And as always, we will see you next time.